Hi, it's the Trigger, Rich Bontrager. And I just want to welcome you to my Communication and Leaders page. There's two things that I am most passionate about. I've been a professional communicator, sports broadcaster for more than 25 years. I've been both in the pulpit as a pastor, and I've been a professional sports announcer, and now I find myself traveling and speaking to groups. I would like to share some of my insights, some of my ideas, and the things that have helped me grow in my craft, both as a leader and as a professional communicator. One thing I've learned is that most leaders struggle with the area of communication, being an effective communicator. They want to try to share their message. They want to let you know what they're most passionate about and what is transformational and informational, and they want to make an impact in this world. The problem is they have a hard time getting it out of their mouth, out of their head, to the crowd in an effective way. We've all been in crowds where people have turned off and shut down. And it's a painful experience to know it didn't work today. So I encourage you to subscribe to my page. Click on it, subscribe to it. There'll be regular updates, both on leaders and communicators. That's what the focus of this is all about. My heart is to share what I have learned, both good and bad, from the mistakes and from the things that I see now that are effective and are good. So I hope you will join me, subscribe, click on it, follow it, and let's see how we can become more effective leaders and communicators.